Cutaway lock making directions, short version. Alright. First padlock. Grinder. Grind down, sand with stone, remove plugs. Remove springs, remove base pins, remove key pins. Open up side here. Open shackle. Remove retainer pin. Put your finger over here. Slide out cylinder. Put it somewhere. Remove the shackle bolt. Holds it in place by letting it come out. There are 2 springs and 2 nails and 2 bolt parts. Make sure they don't fly out. Next, hacksaw down to the side of the pin stack, hacksaw in from the side, remove this chunk of metal here. Put it aside. File down, open up the channels with a lever and hacksaw or with some other filing method. Drill 1 hole, route it out. The hole can be drilled straight through the bar piece here. Route out one side, drill this again with a larger one, use a screw to keep it in place. Drill out a second hole. Drill out a second hole. Screw this back in. Drill through the piece, and then that'll guide you in so that things will be lined up. Put everything back together in reverse order, and it should be working. You got to have screws around that are the right size for the type of threader that you're using. Sorry for the delay here. Just for show. Bye.